Landmark legislation trimming stock transaction taxes took effect on July 1, with President Marcos gracing a special bell-ringing ceremony at the Philippine Stock Exchange in Taguig. What will be the impact of the Capital Markets Efficiency Promotion Act, or CMEPA, on the Philippine economy? Here's One News anchor Kathy Yan.
A vote for capital market development. President Bongbong Marcos rings the opening bell at the Philippine Stock Exchange, marking the effectivity of the Capital Markets Efficiency Promotion Act, or CMEPA, a landmark reform that aims to provide Filipinos here and overseas increased access and opportunities in the stock market.
It empowers the small business owner, the young professional, the overseas Filipino worker to start investing their hard-earned money to build a better future.
Starting July 1st this year, the sales tax for selling transaction will decrease from 0.6% to 0.1%. That means if one were to sell 1,000 shares of Ayala Land today, the seller would have to pay only 20 pesos sales tax. That's 100 pesos less sales tax to pay, says Cole Financial. For the government, a lower sales tax means increased participation in the stock market, which in turn will generate more money to fund infrastructure and social safety net programs. Malacanang says from now until 2030, CMEPA is projected to generate over 25 billion pesos in net revenue. Stock market analysts share mixed views.
It will lower the hurdle rate for investors to at least break even.
It's really been something that people have been looking at.
For former Finance Secretary Jesus Estanislao, meaningful capital market development should come along with stronger collaboration.
PSE and the SEC can and should work together. Instead of having very different requirements, making it very difficult for Philippine corporations to list, to become an issuer of bond, or to be a participant in the capital market, makes it very, very difficult. We charge the highest fees in ASEAN for being in the stock market and for issuing bonds. That makes sense. The only thing we need to do is to coordinate.
Marcos has instructed all agencies, including the Securities and Exchange Commission, to ensure everyone feels the benefits of the new law without delay.